Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Beoble. So this information is mainly for those of you that participated in the Beoble campaign for some potential airdrop reward in the future. So I'm going to tell you guys all the important details you have to know about Beoble and what to expect. So guys, as a return of making this video, there was a recent announcement from Beoble on the 1st of April 2024. So you can see snapshot done for airdrop phase 1, points back to 0 for airdrop phase 2. So for those of you that can no longer see your Beoble points, this is the reason why you cannot see your Beoble point, because you have taken a snapshot for phase 1. Now we are in the era for phase 2 and the point is now back to 0. So for you to participate in this campaign, you are going to get some points for phase 2. Alright, so you can see that Beoble has taken snapshot for those of you that participated in the Beople airdrop campaign. So you participating in Beople alone, that is the Beople chat app, is not enough, because there was an announcement from Beople on the 20th of March 2024. So you can see it here, snapshot is soon, and we are disclosing Beople airdrop eligibility. In order to mitigate issues regarding spamming with instant wallet creation, we decided to snapshot wallet only with either 0.03 ETH or 150 Beople. If you are not currently holding this, we recommend you. So for those of you that got either of these, congratulations, you qualified for the Beople airdrop allocation. So if you don't have this and you only participated in the Beople app, sorry, I don't think you are going to get the reward. Maybe they might choose to consider you guys, but as a return of making this video, this is the only thing you need to get for you to qualify for the Beople airdrop, and you must also be active on Beople. So for those of you that got the eligibility criteria correct, congratulations in advance. So at the time of making this video, no information on when they are going to distribute the airdrop reward, so let's just wait. If there's any information, I'm going to keep you guys updated, so make sure to stay tuned to this channel for more information. So for those of you that missed out on Beople, you can consider participating in phase 2, or you can maybe focus on other projects. So I talked about different projects that you can participate in on my channel to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. Please make sure to go through my videos and get in touch with projects that have not launched yet to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward in the future. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.